Hello student, good morning. Today we are going to discuss a very important chapter that is called cardiovascular agent. These agents having a major pharmacological action having ability to alter the cardiovascular function. In this, the action is on the heart and other part of the vascular system. In that, we have a important part that is called antihypertensive drug. Antihypertensive drugs are classification is termed as like step by step. In that, the first group we have diuretics. The diuretics are the drug which are act within the kidney, or these effects will be contraindicated by reversed by the diuretics or the salt restriction. In that, the thiazide group or diuretics are further classified like first one we have thiazide. The example of thiazide have hydrochlorothiazide, then chlorothiazide and indapamide. Another high ceiling agent. These are called loop diuretics. The example for that is furosemide ethanoic acid and potassium sparing diuretics. The example of drug is spironolactone or amiloride. These are the few examples of the diuretics. In that, the thiazide diuretics act on the early part of the distal tubule and inhibit the electroneutral sodium chloride ions. Second, we have loop diuretics. These act primarily on the thick ascending limb of the loop of loop of Henle. These are not indicated in mild or moderate hypertension, as rapid and greater diuresis cause severe reduction of the blood volume and electrolyte imbalance. Third branch we have potassium sparing diuretics. These agents usually given in combination with the thiazide diuretics to avoid excessive depletion of the potassium ions. The drug which acting on the sympathetic system. On sympathetic system means they are further classified as central acting or central sympatholytics. The drug is clonidine and alpha methyl dopa or catecholamine depressant. The drug is called reserpine. The another class is beta adrenergic receptor blocker. They are further classified as they act on the various type of receptor like alpha receptor, beta receptor and mixed. Mixed means both acting on the alpha as well as the beta receptors. So in case of beta blocker, we have drug atenolol, propranolol or metoprolol. Second, we have alpha blocker. In case of alpha blocker, we have prazosin, terazosin and phenoxybenzamine. Then the drug which are act on the both alpha and beta blocker, the drug is called labetalol or carvedilol. Then we have another class that is called amidazole receptor. The choice of drug is mixonidase. Next class we have adrenergic neuron blocker. In that, the first part, the drugs are guanethidine or bethanidine. Second class we have ganglion blockers, which are further classified as quaternary amine compound. Example for drug is hexamethonium. The second secondary amine, that is called mecamylamine. Tertiary amine, famipidine. These are the few examples that drug. The drug which acting on the reflex action. Drug which act on the reflex action, the drug Valium alkaloid. Another calcium channel blockers. In that nifedipine, amlodipine and deltazan, these are the examples for calcium channel blocker. Another class we have the drug acting on the renin angiotensin system, which will block the renin release. Example of drug is propranolol or alpha methyl dopa. ACE inhibitor means which inhibit angiotensin converting enzyme. The drug are enalapril, lisinopril or ramopril. Further, those inhibit angiotensin 2, the drug is called serapacin. The third class angiotensin 1 receptor, that is losartan. Then inhibition of aldosterone, that is called spironolactone. Another important class that is called vasodilator. Vasodilators further classified as arteriolar or arteriolar plus venous. In the first class, the drug we have hydralazine, minoxidil or diazoxide. In case of arteriolar venous, the drug is called sodium nitroprusside. Thanks a lot